So for introducing students to the class, I jump around a little bit in my PowerPoint to get this to meet this objective. Starting with class procedures and rules. Class procedures including bathroom usage, me getting their attention, and then the concept of one mic. And then for rules, what I want to do is open it up for the students to ask them what they need in order to be successful, and then with some editing and adding what I need, we can create a collaborative list of rules, with responsibilities of food and drinks other than wet labs, noise levels, and like respecting each other being like the foundational level rules. And then we've also adapted the one-page syllabus. The only major changes are in the daily belongings now include a calculator and safety equipment. And then the mission is to study life, which, that's what biology is. It's the study of life. And getting students to understand and see all the tiny intricacies that take place in order for life to happen. We also go into the wet lab rules a little bit. I know it's a lot of text on the slide, but this is really just a small, concise sample of the wet lab rules. And, before each wet lab, we'd go into more specifics about what each wet lab requires safety-wise. But also in the last point of the slide, it says, if you cannot follow the rules, then you will not be allowed to participate in the lab. And this is really important for them to understand because labs are about trust. If, I'm trusting them to be safe and to use their inquisitive minds to solve the problem, but I'm also needing to trust them to not hurt themselves or be careless with chemicals or with sharp implements. So if they can't follow the rules, then they will find a separate activity, something that's still productive and instructional, but not nearly as fun as being able to do the lab. And so my last slide is a chance for them to, ask all their questions that they need and anything that I haven't covered. So yeah, that's how I will introduce students to the class.